So tonight in Bless the Nest Kitchen, we're making chicken piccata. The origins, of course, are from Italy. Piccata actually means a thin slice of veal because the dish was traditionally made with veal. But we're going to be doing it with chicken. And we're actually going to dredge it in some flour, gluten-free flour. So it's a little bit of a healthier dish. And we're going to cook that in our pan with some olive oil. 8 minutes on each side, and then we'll get cooking with our sauce. Drenching our chicken thighs in some gluten-free flour, and we're going to cook them in our skillet 8 minutes on each side with a little salt and pepper. Here we have 3 cloves of garlic. We have the lemon juice of 1 lemon. This is 1 lemon sliced, and this is the extra lemon skin from the juiced lemon because we don't want to throw anything out. And then we have 3 tablespoons of butter, and we're also going to use 3 tablespoons of capers. So those are our ingredients, pretty basic. Now we're taking out our chicken thighs that have been cooking 8 minutes on each side. Just going to put them on a plate here with a little paper towel to get all the excess oil. They're looking golden brown and beautiful. Some more of a medium low. We're going to add our butter. We're going to add 1 lemon juice. Add our garlic. About a half a cup of a dry white wine. Now this is your peanut butter to your jelly. The capers are very important. So we got 2 big tablespoons of nice fresh organic capers. All right. After 20 minutes, there it is. Looking juicy and delicious.